First, the top news headlines. Coronavirus cases in India rise to 43. Assam quarantine 400 people. Assam Rifles starts sealing porous roads on Indo-Myanmar border. And Yaoksang festival begins in Manipur with full fervor. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. Times of Manipur wishes everyone a very happy Holi. This is Suraj giving you the news. Now the news in detail. The number of coronavirus cases in India rose to 43 as 4 more cases were reported from Uttar Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Delhi and Kerala each, according to Health Ministry statement. The statement, according to reports, said that all international passengers to share their details and travel history at the airport. Schools were shut in several states across the country, including primary schools in the capital, as the number of cases due to the novel coronavirus rose up in the country. As part of efforts to contain the spread of the infection, 3 people who returned from coronavirus affected regions in the past 9 days were yesterday quarantined for suspected exposure in Indore and Madhya Pradesh. Assam too quarantined at least 400 people after they came in contact with an American tourist who tested positive for the virus in Bhutan after traveling through the state recently. Union Health Minister Harsh Vardhan, today addressing the media on the coronavirus outbreak, said that the centre had held discussions with the Delhi government to prepare for isolation wards, quarantine facilities, availability of doctors, contact tracing in case the cases in the capital city increased. According to reports, the minister outlined the various measures that are being taken by the states and centre to prevent the disease spread. While screening of passengers from all foreign locations is being undertaken at airports across the country, over 3,000 people have been placed on surveillance for risks of the disease, he said. Meanwhile, Iran announces 43 new deaths from the novel coronavirus in the past 24 hours, bringing the overall toll to 237 dead. According to media reports, in the past 24 hours, 595 new cases infected with coronavirus were identified in the country, and the overall number of those infected rose to 7,167. Saudi Arabia announces that it would impose a fine of up to $133,000 on those who do not declare correct health-related information to add entry points. The number of cases of the novel coronavirus has risen to more than 108,000 globally, with at least 27,000 cases outside of China. Sealing of porous roads along Indo-Myanmar border by Assam Rifles has begun today as a precautionary measure against coronavirus threat. Self-declaration forms are now issued to travelers for entry and exit at Namphalong along Indo-Myanmar border. As of now, no restriction has been imposed on movement by people at gate number 1 and gate number 2 of Indo-Myanmar border, officials said. The Assam Rifles guard the 1,643-kilometer long Indo-Myanmar border, which passes through Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland and Mizoram. The Festival of Colors, Holi or Yaoksang festival begins today in Manipur with great fervor. Apart from celebration, the 5-day-long festival in Manipur will witness games and sports, cultural programs and Thabal Chongba across the state. On the joyous occasion of Yaoksang, Governor of Manipur Dr. Najma Heptullah extended her warm greetings to the people of Manipur. State Chief Minister N. Biren also extended warm greetings to the people of the state. In his message, Biren said Yaoksang is one of the biggest festivals of the Meitei community. Consumer Affairs Minister Karam Siam, in his greetings to the people, said that the festival is a true indicator of the revival of the rich culture and tradition of Manipur. Local clubs and organizations in Jiribam are also organizing Yausung Sports Festival. Local MLA Asabuddin attended the opening function of Yausung Sports Meet organized by Kalinagar Youth Club KYC Kalinagar. Vice Chairman of Manipur Food Industry Corporation Limited K. Sarat Kumar Singh attended the opening event of Sports Meet of Yaifa Lamjing Club. Dibong Kuno Mitei Naha Club Ningthembam also kick off Yausung Sports Meet at the local community hall where Adaksha Jila Parishad Jiribam K.H. Janaki Devi was present. The Yausung Sports Meet is being organized by other local clubs also. Well, it's time now for a short commercial break. Do stay tuned.
Nauka Hearing Aid Center. Kumja listing Machapad Marifom Dodi Honachai Kuntramanga Hena, Notice India Ahan Hearing Aid Clinic Moina Leklaba, Nauka Gi Info Center Mahangjare, TV Marifon Conjel, Loinana, Nil Kongum from the Tabangam, the Awab Mayokna Binaha Al Kudimak, Wabi Rugano, Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic and Asimak Lension Directuna, completely invisible, water resistant, rechargeable with digital hearing aid, happy you. Pangalwana Badong Kangachana Singles Powers Tambio, I call the from the Nagamapal Main Road, Posangam Lekai, near Community Hall, mobile number na 6000954159.
Lamjingba Cab brings you a brand new fare chart for wedding packages. Package number 1, within Imphal city area up to the range of 15 kilometers for 6 hours at rupees 1,800 only. Package number 2, outside Imphal city area ranging from 15 kilometers to 30 kilometers for 6 hours at 2,000 rupees only. Package number 3, outside Imphal city area beyond 30 kilometers for 6 hours to 8 hours at rupees 2,600 only. For details, suggestions or feedback, please contact 1800-1027959 or 8794-613154 or visit our office at Nagamapal Rims Road near Nityananda Mandir. Admission open. The Knowledge Home Boarding Cum Coaching Center. Foundation course for class 9 and 10 will start from 18 April 2020 and foundation course for 11 and 12 will start from 15 April 2020. Course highlights: small batches, concept knowledge, chapter wise test, individual attention, regular feedback and parents teachers session, free personal counseling. For details, please contact the Knowledge Onboarding Cum Coaching Center, Hata New Chekon Road.
Adongi angang na school da kari tauri, oza na kari takpiri. Yumdagi amadi office tagi yamna laina live class yengba yaraba status agi ahanba school and day care tiny fit ki oina admission hauzare. Backless school, CCTV camera, safe and secure. Healthy breakfast and lunch at school. Highly qualified and caring staff. Creative activities and educational games. Interactive learning through music and movement. 50% less on admission fee for the first 20 students. Contact Tiny Feet, Malom Bazar, Tuliyaima.
Manipur University da affiliate Tauraba South Asian Institute of Rural and Agricultural Management Sairam Langjing Achoba Imphal West ki admission hauzare. Course singdi BSc Agriculture, BSc Horticulture amadi Bachelor of Business Administration BBNE. Form thaba April ki date 1 dagi hauzaragani. Aku pamarol gidamak ekhogi website www.sairam.org.in natraga ekhogi phone number 9612812346 natraga 7641929924 da contact tabiyo.
Senior for Senior Care Medline Home Health Care Service na ahal singidamak paket chaba thaurang ama oina Senior for Senior Care haiba thaurang asigidamak ahang ba phone khara kaujari masida masagi sahi kunthra manga dagina yankhai manga fawgi manungda leiba class 10 pass tauraba thawai yawba nupa amadi nupi singna apply tobiba yagani. On job training oina 3 months training tauraba matungda Medline Home Health Care Service ta thabak tawba yabagi khudong chabasu pijari. Masida sarv gyabiningba miyoi singna satliba tha asigi tara fawbagi manungda ahongai leirak near Jennings Hospital Porompata leiba Medline Head Office ta lakpiduna application form lobiba yagani amadi akupa marol gidamak tanabiyu.
Welcome back after the break. As Yausung Festival began today in Manipur, almost all fuel stations located along the Tidim Road stretch of Taupokpi in Bisnupur district and Kaisampat in Imphal were run out of petrol. However, diesel was available at these petrol pumps. Sources said that petrol was sold in black market at far higher prices near these fuel stations. Singa Idol Club SIC Yaripok today organized a public meeting to find ways to eradicate intoxicants and drugs in Singda Yaripok area. The MIT decided to impose restriction on entry of non-residents from 6 p.m. till 5 a.m. in the area, besides extending support to anti-drug drive and setting up of a new women's organization. Apok Pamarup organized the first indigenous Meitei religious conference at Laisram Khun Mamanglikay under Hailakandi district yesterday. Mayanglam Raghumani, Pauktak Loi Sanamahi Kiong, Mutum Churamani, convener Sanamahi Lining Luptin, Ingba Mangang Yumnamcha, General Secretary Kangla, Pantho Humpumari, Meitei Lepak, Pukrambam Angamba, Luchingba Sanamahi Lining Sanglen, Sanakol, Meitei Lepak, and Atokpam Chinglemba Meitei member Lining Tho Sanamahi Temple Board, Meitei Lepak attended the event as presidium members. During the conference, Nauria Amusana Meitei Luchinghan said the event was organized to commemorate the 90th anniversary of revivalism of Meitei religion by Lininghan Ibungo Nauria Pulo. Among others, the conference also deliberated on birth and death rituals of Meitei. A 5-day cultural and peace camp 2020 has kick-started today at Haidon Pokpi Tarang Apamba Umang Community Hall of Yurembam Makhalika in Imphal West. The camp is organized by Salaicha Apunba Luptil Kangleipak. Konthauzam MLA Dr. Sapam Ranjan, Titular King of Manipur Laisemba Sana Jauba, Registrar of Manipur University of Culture Dr. L. Surjit, and Social Scientist Dr. Dhanabir Laistram attended the inaugural event. Patsoi MLA A.K. Mirabai today distributed new gas connection to 309 beneficiaries at a simple function held at her residence in Patsoi, Imphal. The event was organized by Patsoi Block Congress Committee under Ujjwala Yojana scheme. The CBI carried out searches at 7 locations today in connection with the Yes Bank scam pertaining to the Rs 600 crore alleged bribe to the family of its co-founder Rana Kapoor by the HFL. According to media reports, teams of CBI officers have carried out operations at the residence and official premises of the accused in Mumbai. The agency has alleged that Kapoor, aged 62, entered into a criminal conspiracy with the HFL promoter Kapil Wadhavan for extending financial assistance to the HFL through Yes Bank in return for substantial undue benefits to himself and his family members through companies held by them, reports inform. One militant was killed in an encounter in Jammu and Kashmir's Sofian district, police said today. According to the reports, Kashmir Zone Police said the encounter was underway and security forces were on the job as security forces launched a cordon and search operation in Riban in South Kashmir on receiving information about the presence of militants. The operation turned into an encounter after the militants fired on the search party and gunfight is going on, report added. Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, TOMTV today trashed Impact TV in the final match of volleyball in stretch sets at the ongoing 10th annual Journalist Sports Meet 2020 of All Manipur Working Journalists Union Amju at Kumalampak, Imphal. Laurembam Asha Priya of TOMTV also bagged the first position in the women's 100-meter race. Rosi Mala of ISTV secured the second position, while Victoria RK of Impact TV bagged the third position. Besides race, on the first day of the sports meet, events like discus throw and shot put were held. In 400-meter race in women's category, Victoria RK of Impact TV bagged the first position. H. Roni Balachenu of Media Unified bagged the second position, while Rosi Malaki H of ISTV bagged the third position. And in men's category, T.H. Kishan of Shanghai Express bagged the first position. M. Kennedy of Media Unified secured the second position, and M. Ozid of TOMTV bagged the third position. World Boxing Championship silver medalist Amit Panghal has been qualified for the Tokyo Olympics by defeating Philippines' Carlo Palom in the men's 52 kg quarterfinals of the Asia-Oceania Olympic boxing qualifier today at Amman, Jordan. Panghal's success has also taken the tally of Indian boxers qualifying for the Tokyo Olympics to 6, media reports inform. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Coronavirus cases in India rise to 43. Assam quarantines 400 people. Assam Rifles starts sealing porous roads on Indo-Myanmar border. And Yaoksang festival begins in Manipur with full fervor. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.